P-traps are the unsung heroes of our sink drainage systems, cleverly designed to block sewer gases while letting wastewater flow out. This curved pipe holds a bit of water, creating a seal that keeps your home fresh. But over time, they can get clogged with hair, soap scum, or even food particles. To tackle a clog, start by bailing out any standing water, then disconnect the trap and clean it out with a bottle brush. Check for any damaged parts and reassemble it securely. Regular maintenance, like using baking soda and vinegar, can keep your P-trap clear and your plumbing running smoothly. Remember, if the problem persists, don't hesitate to call in a pro.